It is a great chance for me to share about the Stop Israeli Violence. Today I stand here to raise my voice about the injustice and brutality carried out the Israel against the innocent Palestinian people. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you are all fine. First of all, I want to give my special thanks to our all honorable teachers and judges, because of whom I am able to stand here today and deliver my speech. My name is Masjid. I am a student of English Fantasy, batch number 32, my ID number 1369 and level 4. 4,000 civilians, including the women, the children, also survived the combined and bombed and the displacement. This is not just for politics issues, it is also our humanitarian crisis. On additions, the world must not remain silent. We are demand the peace, the freedom and the justice. So we can call on the international violence also supporting the Palestine and also our operations on the name of the politics. Okay. On the other hand, the Israel continuously violates the Palestinian people. The children are being combined and the hospitals are being survived all time bombed. Is this justice? Is this humanity? No nation has understand the basic human rights for innocent lives that are destroyed. However, we must need the end of war. We must need the free Palestine. So now, immediately must stop the indecisive killings and killing the other of Palestine. That's all today. Thank you.